Hey everybody, this is Robert. I hope we can pick up the audio on this. What I thought I would show you is the settings on the Nano QX 3D helicopter and the different modes and what you need to do to flip it, to roll it, to fly inverted. So what I'm going to cover in this video is the first basic flight modes, which is the beginner mode and the intermediate mode. So on my radios, you'll notice here my 3-position switch is in the upper position, and that's the beginner mode. And then in this mode, if I take off, as you can see here in the video, this is just the beginner mode to fly around and get used to your quad. And I'm doing this as a split screen video, so you can see it doesn't really take any movement to fly this. That's why this is a very good beginner quad. So you're seeing this all in real time. So in the beginning mode, you can flip the quad completely over in any direction. And to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to reach up here and hit the trainer switch one time. And then when you bang the stick in any direction, you saw what the quad will do. It'll roll over. And that's the beginner mode. So, as I said, you press the button, give it a little altitude, and the quad will flip over one complete time. To make it look a little bit better, what I suggest you do is you give the quad a little throttle when you're doing this, and I'll do it this time. So I'm going to press the button, and that time you notice I did the complete flip while I was traveling up, and that makes it look better. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to flip the 3-way switch into intermediate mode. Now you notice I don't have to land to do this. Now what it'll do is if I press the switch, this is actually how you fly inverted. So when you press the switch, as you saw me did before, and I'll do it again here, whatever way you bang the stick, the quad will flip over that direction. So I'll do this again. And now I'm flying inverted. And if you see me, I press the button again. That's what flips it back. So these are the first two modes that you should practice in, and you should practice in like left edge in, as you're seeing here, right edge in. You want to get to know all the controls on your helicopter. You want to practice nose in hover. You want to get very, very comfortable with this quad. So as you see here, I'm hovering nose in. And this is the intermediate mode. So as I said, you want to learn how to fly in all orientations before you actually advance to the most difficult, which is the 3D mode. So as I said before, you want to be able to be very comfortable flying your quad in all directions. And what I would tell you to learn how to practice too is practice flying inverted too. In all directions, like nose in. Learn basic orientation of the little micro quad here. And then once you feel comfortable doing that, do a little nose in here. And so you can even flip it inverted nose in. Just get very, very used to flying the quad in all directions before you advance on to the third level. So I hope this video helps. And that's the second look at the Nano QX 3D. Thanks for watching.